welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startup across our country. So let's get into the interview. For today's interview, we have Mr. Sukhpal Singh Yadav, a management scholar, has a rich experience of working in corporate sector for a span of 30 years. He has an aptitude for working for environment and organic farming. After working in a corporate sector, he has launched a startup named Organic Bharat into organic food retails. Organic Bharat team has been working with the motto of Be Organic. They fulfill the need of genuine organic product of their consumer at a reasonable rate, round the year availability at doorstep delivery. The team believes that promoting organic food among their customers will help them maintaining their environment and ecological balance. So let's jump into the interview and know more about this wonderful startup. Good afternoon, sir. I am More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are very grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Thank you.
Sir, I will please request you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Good evening. My name is Sukhpal Singh. I am a son of farmer. I served in the Indian Air Force and then worked in corporate sector. In 2019, I started this new agri-business named Organic Bharat.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, my very first question to you is that how did you come up with this idea of startup?
Okay. When I was searching for organic milk, I think in the year 2014, and I visited many farms in and around Gurgaon. It was experience that many vendors are giving the false promises for organic milk. In the last, I have started my own farm, own cow farm, and thus a venture was started. Afterwards, we started adding the other products on ourselves, and we are in the business of organic food products full time. Yeah.
So, sir, if you can recall, what was the most difficult part in the early stages of the journey?
In the starting days, there were wrong words spread among the masses or consumers by the various vendors. First, what they were telling, see, our milk is untouched by hands, and so it is organic. But in actually, it is not like so. There are different parameters for the milk to be organic. The standards are few, and the ignorance is far deeper. Thus, there is always a competition with all sort of vendors who are claiming they are organic, but they are not. Yeah. So you can say unorganized players or who are not organic, they are always competing you with the false promises.
So, talking about competitors, I want to know that what was the market gap that you identified?
There is a lack of basically knowledge and awareness about the organic products and the need of being organic. Our mass consumers are cost conscious on the cost of quality of basically products or quality of life. That is the biggest gap. I think our market or basically our consumers or customers should be made aware, or you can say market is to develop for the basically, you can say, to be organic, how to involve or bring the people on board for this, to be organic.
Okay. So, sir, the next thing I want you to ask that, can you explain your business model in detail?
We are farmers. We are group of farmers and directly connected to consumers, our customers, to provide delivery of food products which are organic at the doorsteps. Therefore, a connect between the farms and kitchen is being made for the organic way of life. We have made our app Organic Bharat, which help us in this venture, and We have other app to track the orders, delivery to the consumers.
Okay. So, sir, the next thing I want to ask that you mentioned your products and services in a gist, but still I want you to specify the products and services that you provide to your customers.
Yeah, we are one-stop solution for the need of all organic food required for a family.
Mhm.
All food products, e.g., fruits, vegetables, dairy products, grocery, tea, coffee, jaggery products, and all stuff.
Mhm.
Our USP, unique selling point, is to deliver the organic products at the best minimum price
Mhm.
at the doorstep. The logistic services we offer is truly world class and reliable. Yeah.
Okay. So, sir, the next question is quite simple. Who are exactly your target customers?
Any person, any consumer
Yeah.
who is looking for quality food which is
Mhm.
organic,
Okay.
who has the knowledge of the benefit of the organic food,
Mhm.
and looking for a delivery at his or doorstep at home, because everybody cannot be at farm, everybody cannot have that free time. They can grow their own food, organic food, or can get the food from the farms.
Yeah.
So all such people or all such customers are our targeted customers.
Mhm. Okay. So the next thing I want to ask that, as I mentioned before, that you have an established market out there. So I want to know that what are the features or what are the unique features of your business that differs you from your competitor?
See, first, we are a one-stop solution
Yes.
for all organic needs of the all customers.
Mhm.
And our app Organic Bharat is helping in this.
Mhm.
We are the direct connect. Secondly, we are the direct connect between the farms and kitchen.
Mhm.
And thirdly, we are providing world-class services, delivery services,
Mhm.
and cutting the intake of pesticides and chemical fertilizers from the food chain of consumers.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing I want to ask that we have talked about consumers, we have talked about your market. The next thing I want to ask that if anyone is seeking job out there, so why one should choose to work with you?
See our motto. It is be organic.
Mhm.
Thus, anybody joining us will pursue a career, but
Mhm.
in addition, he will, if he is pursuing the basically our motto, be organic,
Mhm.
he is doing a welfare to himself or herself, to the society, to as a nation, and to even Mother Earth,
Mhm.
to save it from degradation. It is
Mhm.
basically, it is not a one-time you can say motto or one-time basically pledge you have taken. It is a long-term basically.
Yeah, yeah.
Be organic. It serves everything.
True.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing I want to ask that if not this company, then what else you would be doing right now?
Yeah, really, I don't find a choice. See, being my roots in the agriculture,
Mhm.
I served with the Indian Air Force, then I worked with corporate sector. I think I am at the right destination, Organic Bharat.
Mhm.
I want it to be like that, and I don't have any option basically. This is the right place for me.
Okay. So the next thing I want to ask that what are the products and services that you are in constantly need of for your business?
We are looking for some vendors in packaging
Mhm.
to provide the packaging which is reusable, safe, environment friendly, and
Mhm.
innovative.
Okay.
The other vendors of organic food products can also pool with us because the need of organic foods is quite huge, and we all together can try to meet it.
Okay. So on what parameters do you select your vendors and suppliers? So is it price? Is it quality or convenience? What is it?
I think This answer includes all the three.
Okay.
Price is very much important because we are targeting that our customers should not pay more. We want to service our customers at the best minimum price. So price has to be there. Well, quality, surely we are looking for quality also, because without quality we cannot sustain it, we cannot grow it, or we cannot gain the trust of our customers.
True.
Quality is quite paramount.
Mhm.
Price is also important.
Yeah.
Safety of the products. So
Mhm.
I think the packing has to be safe.
Okay. So, what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
See, presently we are looking for to establish ourselves in the Gurgaon and Delhi and NCR in the organic food industry. And in our long-term plan, after establishing here, surely we would be trying to expand in other cities of India to leave our footprints, to do our bit in the business of organic food industry.
Okay. So lastly, I would love to hear feedback on Startup Lanes, and of course, if you want to thank someone from your team or friends and family, you can do so.
Yeah, it is an organization which is putting its efforts for the startup and helping their ecosystem. Thus, it is direct help for startups to learn, sport, gain the knowledge, and grow. And with respect to whom I thank, yeah, surely for family members, because they are supporting my idea. Then the fellow farmers who are connected with me, who are working with me in our cause and motto of be organic. And lastly, our consumers, customers, because they are the who patronizing our startup and showing or believing in us in our way. Yes.
So lastly, thanks to you for starting a wonderful business, because India is in need of organic products which are made in India. So thank you so much. Thank you for your time and crucial words. Thank you so much.
Thank you.